Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Santander online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up or enroll for Santander online banking account, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in www.santanderbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Santander, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button. This will bring up a pop-up menu. If you already have an online banking account, go ahead and enter your user ID followed by your password and click the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up or enroll by clicking on this first time user enroll now link. Give it a click and this will open up a new page. You'll need to verify your identity in order to enroll for online banking for Santander Bank. Go ahead and choose one of the identification method from the identification options and give it a click. In my case, I have chosen my account number. If you've chosen ATM debit or credit card, you'll need to type in your debit or credit card in the next box along with your SSN number. If you choose account number, type in an account number provided to you by your bank and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you don't have a social security number, click on Don't Have SSN link at the bottom and follow the instructions. After choosing your options and typing in your credentials, click the Continue button. And once your identity has been verified, you'll be guided on further instructions on how to finish your enrollment. That is how you can easily sign up or enroll for online banking account for Santander Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.